Hi there, this is Jeet and I'm going to show you TubeRank Jeet, the best YouTube optimization software available in the market today. The aim of TubeRank Jeet 2 is to help you get perfect titles, descriptions and tags so that you can rank your videos with amazing success. So let's get started and see how TubeRank Jeet works. The first thing you need to do is enter your root keyword. Now this keyword should be the keyword that you actually want to rank for. Make sure you select a good quality keyword that matches your video's targeting, and that's very important. Type in the keyword in this field. For example, I'm going to go with the yoga for back pain. Now I need to select how many competing videos I want to analyze. The more the better. Now TubeRank Jeet lets you select all the way from just 2 videos to 50 videos, and if you select more videos, like I said, you get better analysis, you get better keywords, you get better tags. So it's a good idea to go for the maximum sometimes, but this time for this demo I'm gonna just go with 30 and now click go. TubeRank Jeet will go to YouTube, fetch all the data it needs and then show you the results, and as you've seen, it just takes a couple of seconds. Here's a list of videos that's ranking for this keyword, and you can see the thumbnails over here. If you want to visit any video to see the details or to see how it looks, just click on it. It will load up in a new browser window. You'll be able to see it play and you'll be able to see more details, but this is not really where we want to work. We want to go back to TubeRank Jeet. Scroll all the way down and you will see some new things. First, you will see some really important data, and here the first box will tell you the average number of likes that these videos are getting. It tells you 2 things. First, how popular are these videos, and the second, are people liking the content made. Next is the average number of dislikes. This will tell you whether people find this content or this topic offensive. And then you have the average number of views on each video, and again you learn 2 things. First, how tough is it going to be to rank for this keyword or to rank for this topic, and also what is the potential size for this market, what is the potential market size. Finally, you have the comments, the average number of comments, and that's how you come to know how engaged the people are with this topic. And then you have these interesting bar graphs which tell you how difficult it is going to be to rank at just a glance. The first graph over here will tell you how difficult it is to rank at the top spot or for #1 for this keyword, and it does this on the basis of the metrics collected from the first video. So for our particular search, it's gonna be this video, the #1 video. And the second graph over here will tell you how tough it is to rank for the last video in our collection. So for our list, this is gonna be the 30th video, this one over here. And again, this is based on the metrics for the 30th video. Now, all of this information coupled with the details of the average engagement market size is enough to help you make your decision whether you want to target this keyword or this topic. For me, it's a go because the market size is pretty good, and even on the 30th spot or over that, I will get pretty good results. I will get pretty good views. So for me, it's a go, and I'm gonna go to the next step and show you the analysis or how to rank for this particular keyword. So let's scroll up to the top again. You'll notice that there are 2 tabs. We are currently on competition, and there's another tab, analysis. To analyze the ranking parameters, to find out how we can rank for this keyword, for this topic, we need to click on this tab. Alright, so here we are now in analysis. Let's take a look around. On the top, you will see the list of videos again. This time it's a nice scrollable list and you can scroll through them to see them all. And when you click on any video, you will immediately see the details for that video in the space below over here. Here's the bigger thumbnail, and if you want to watch this on YouTube, you can click this link and it will load up in a browser. Alright, let's close this. Here's the title for the video, the complete description, it's scrollable, and if it's targeting any tags, you will see those as well. Now you will see all the basic stats like the likes, the dislikes, the number of comments, the number of views, everything. Now all of this is so that you can get inspiration and learn from the top ranking videos, see what they're doing, see how they're optimizing, and get some ideas. This is something that I always do. So if you can do a quick study of these videos and you want to maybe take some content that you want to rewrite, you can just copy it, paste it over here, and then you can rewrite it. Move on below, and here you will see all the tags that these videos are targeting. On the top you'll see high competition tags, which are higher value, and scroll down a little below and you will see the long tail tags, which lesser number of videos are targeting, but which could be easier to rank for, and you might be able to get the better rankings, get the top rankings for these keywords faster. And if you notice, right alongside each high value, each high competition tags, you will also see a number of videos, or the number of videos that are targeting these tags. So yoga for beginners, it's very popular. 23 videos are targeting these tags. If you add it to your channel, if you add it to your video, it's gonna face a little bit of competition, and you will probably rank for this if you got a really good video or if you got a really good channel. Similarly, you will see there are a number of different tags. For example, the yoga for upper back pain, only 4 videos are targeting, and it's a damn good keyword. You can just click on it and it will be added to your selected tags. Similarly, go through the tags list over here, go through the low value tags, and I suggest that when you select the tags for your video, do a mix of the low value and the high value tags, and you will be able to rank faster earlier for low value tags. And as you rank better and better for low value, people watch your video, you will begin to rank better for high value tags also. Alright, so this was a quick overview of the tags, and I want to go back and show you how to actually compete, or how to actually do the optimization, how to make sure that you rank well, and how TubeRank Jeet will help you analyze and rank the best possible that you can. So let's move on to that. Let's start optimizing with the title. So let's go to the video title box and let's put a title in here, back pain yoga, and go down a little. You will see a button that says get my score. Click on it and you will see your score along with some suggestions that you can actually do to improve the score or to improve the optimization levels for these videos. So let's have a look at these suggestions. The first one says, please add the keyword in the title without any separating words. Add to the beginning for best results. So our keyword is yoga for back pain. So let's add that instead. Yoga for back pain. Some simple. Okay, let's go down again. It says, consider making the title longer. Add a sentence if possible. Yes, because YouTube has more space for the title and you want to use as much of it as possible. Then it says, please add a description. We have no description right now. Please add the keywords in the tags. We don't have any tags. We have a tag, but it's not the keyword, so it's asking us to add the keyword to the tags. Makes sense. And please add more tags. Yeah, we got only one. So let's do this one by one. First thing, add the keyword to the title. So let's do that. Yoga for back pain. Then make this a bit longer. Some simple tricks for quick pain relief. This I think is a much better title. So let's see if it improves our score. Yes, it does. Now it's 36% and it says you can still extend the title a bit. And I think it makes sense because YouTube gives you some very finite areas, some very finite spaces to put your title in. So you should try and maximize the use that you take out of it. You should try and make the use of it as much as possible. So yoga tips. All right, so let's try it again. Okay, some more space left, but I think this is enough. Next, you need to provide the description. So, well, I am not going to write the entire description. So I'm just gonna take something from here and paste it. But when you prepare the video yourself, of course, you need to have a custom description. Don't just copy stuff. It will create a dangerous situation for you. Get my score again. It says 45%. You can still extend the title. Okay, I don't want to do that now. Please add the keyword in the description. Yeah, the description doesn't have the keyword, so we're gonna put this over here. Yoga for back pain. I think that was the keyword. Yeah. is a good way to relieve yourself of the aches. Now you can see this, that the content is actually overwriting this a bit, but that's because I'm trying to shoot this video on a very short, very small screen size. On your screen it will look perfectly well. So coming back to get my score, the score has gone up and you can see that the color has changed. Now it's orange. Red means that the optimization is really bad. You need to do something to make it better. Orange is still bad, but okay, it's not so bad. And now we say, now we need to add a link to your website or Facebook page in the description. Good idea. So let's do that. And facebook.my-yoga-page or whatever your yoga page is. Get my score. And it says ask the view to subscribe. That's a very good strategy and you should always do that. Please subscribe to my channel or whatever you want to write. All you need to do is follow these steps, do what the program is asking you to do, and you're going to end up with a perfectly optimized video. And like I said, the goal is to have as good score as possible. Try and maximize it. Alright, so it says please add the keyword in the tags. Alright, let's do that. Yoga for back pain. Come back, check it again. We are 92%, but we need to add more tags and we'll save some time. We'll go down over here. We'll click on some of the tags from over here. I'm doing this randomly, but ideally you will want to review them. Make sure that you select the tags that are relevant to you, because this is gonna add a real value to your video. Now let me tell you this, YouTube gives a lot of importance to tagging, to tags, and if you get your tags right, you will get a lot of extra views from YouTube. So make sure you pay very good attention to the tagging. So click on the tags, get my score. You still have some more space left, so just keep clicking a little more, and you can see over here how much space is left. You have 500 characters maximum. You have filled in 305, so we're gonna add some more like this. Get my score 98, almost there, and I think this should be about it. Right, so this is the maximum score that you're going to reach with this setup, with the content that I put in. It's 98% is pretty good. You don't need to go all the way to 100 every time, but it's good that you try and reach as near 100 as possible. Pay attention that the color is now green, which tells you that this video is pretty well optimized and you can put it online and it will get you the rankings that you want. So this is how easy it is to rank a video. This is how easy it is to optimize a video with TubeRank Jeet. It's so simple that you can give a 7-year-old child this software and they will be able to rank your video. It's ridiculously simple. If you've got a VA, just hand the software over to them and they'll be able to rank it. Now I'm going to tell you about this interesting new feature that I've put in, upload. So you've put in the titles, you've put in description, you put in the tags. You can select a category for this video. So if it's exercise, I'm gonna try and find a relevant category. Okay, maybe sports. I don't know, but maybe not sports, but let's see if there's anything else. All right, let's go for sports. And when you're ready, just click on upload and TubeRank Jeet will let you select a video file from your computer. Select any video file, click on it, and it will upload the video to your Google account. It will upload the video to YouTube, and of course it's going to ask you for some permissions, because you will need to give TubeRank Jeet the permission to upload the video, and once you do that, your video is going to be uploaded directly from TubeRank Jeet. So you can do everything from this software, right from optimization to uploading, and forget about the video. It's gonna work perfectly well. So this is how TubeRank Jeet works. I'm sure you understand how useful this software can be, how simple it is, and how effective it is. I use this software daily with my YouTube channels, all of them, and I want to say this is one of the reasons why I'm able to achieve such amazing rankings. This software makes it possible. So I hope you had fun watching this video and you understand the value of this software. This is Cyril Jeet signing off, and all the best to you, the best of rankings and the best of success on YouTube from Cyril Jeet.